Okay, so we wrote that a blobfish looks like a melted pile of jello. What else could we put here of some of our own ideas? When you heard about the blobfish, what did it make you think about? Or what did you think about? Yes.
I thought about it looking like a pile of jello, but no, they have soft bones that protect them from being crushed in the water.
Did you read that or are you saying that?
I said that.
Okay, so we're gonna just stick to the facts. So when we're writing our informative papers, you guys always have really great facts, but we need to stick to the facts, okay? You need to have read it and completed research. So, are these blobfish rare? Yes.
Colin he actually didn't just say that, he read it.
He did read it?
Yes, it's an actual sentence in the first paragraph. It says, looking a bit like a melted pile of jello, blobfish have extremely soft bones that prevent their bodies from being crushed at deep water levels. So,
okay, so Colin, you did read it.
I know, I thought you were going to get mad at me for some reason.
No, man, that's what I was asking you. Okay, so let's somehow put this into our own words. So let's take note of how, because that's really long. So what do blobfish have what?
blobfish have soft bones.
Blobfish have what?
Extremely soft bones.
Soft bones. All right. So we're taking this information in, okay, and we're putting it out here on the paper. Now let's look at our second paragraph here about our Dumbo elephant or Dumbo elephant octopus. What's something that we can take note that we learned about the Dumbo elephant octopus? Yes.
But they have weird things on the side of their head.
So they have large ears that make them look like what?
Dumbo.
Dumbo.
Well, there are pink things.
So the oops. So we have Dumbo. Large fins that look like Dumbo's ears. Oops.
We're not really reality.
All right, what's another thing that we can say that we learned about the Dumbo elephant? Thank you for raising your hand.
They live on a rare site.
They live on a rare site?
Like a totally uncommon site.
So they live in a rare area, which how far do they live down?
13,000 feet.
So they live, we're going to put 13,000, oops, if I could type today, feet below sea level, which is rare to have life there. All right, let's look at the next one.
Please pause there for a second.
You did not raise your hand. What did I say? I said we're writing this at the end. Okay, so now we're going to be talking about our naked mole rats as our other wacky animal. What is something we learned about a naked mole rat?
That mainly their entire colony is all male.
So they're like ants, right? Like,
but they're only missing one.
So naked mole rat colony is like an ant colony with a female queen. You see how I took that into a sentence? They didn't talk about ant colonies in the paragraph, okay? So this is how you take so you read the information, you take the information in, and then you write notes based off of what you've learned. So what I want you to do is I want you to read this next one on your own and you're going to read the text in, and then you're going to put out your ideas.